Listen, we have all been there. Whether you're falling for that newfound person or simply trying to woo a long-time love, dating can be expensive, but it doesn't have to be if you're strategic. There are plenty of things around us that are cheap or even free, and with some intention, we can stay under a $25 budget for an unforgettable night, because working towards our financial goals at Cambio starts with mindful spending. Hey, and by the way, at $25, most of these dates will go through don't involve food or drink, unless you like value menus at Taco Bell. But if you are looking for cuisine deals, check out Groupon or Restaurant.com, which are not sponsors of this video. We've just noticed that in our area, sometimes we can find food vouchers for as much as 50% off. So for $25, you can get a $50 night out and you don't have to dirty any dishes. Now, let the date night begin. Number 1, Vegas, but lower stakes, AKA Dave & Buster's. Something that my wife and I have really enjoyed as newlyweds are weekly trips to Dave & Buster's. And looking at their site, the prices do seem steep, but if you keep looking, you'll see why Wednesdays are key. All games are half price, and with $25, you can get 135 credits. On a normal day, most games at Dave & Buster's are 8 to 12 credits, so this wouldn't go too far, but on half price Wednesdays, you can play games for as low as 1.5 credits. I'm looking at you, Steve-Ball, okay? So we find our $25 usually gets us between 60 and 90 minutes of play. And the best part is that when we're done, we usually have just enough tickets for a free appetizer or sometimes a free entree to split. So boom, gaming fun and free food. All right, date number 2, improv comedy, also sometimes called comedy sports. Now, it's Friday. Work was hard this week. You've made your meal at home, you put on an outfit you feel good in, you're ready to laugh with your significant other, so you head on down to any improv or comedy sports troupe. Every club across the country has different pricing, but all the clubs around us are $12 or less per ticket, some as little as $7, and these shows don't have a drink minimum either. So that leaves plenty of financial room to pay for parking, gas, or maybe even grab an appetizer to share. Hope you enjoy your night and hope it's full of laughs. Number 3, public markets. One of the most frequently overlooked yet rewarding ways to explore your community. These spaces are often populated with diverse arrays of talented local vendors selling food, coffee, art, plants, so much more. And many have free live music or events for kids as well. So $25 can grab you 3 to 4 different food items, an excuse to spend a few hours exploring on a nice day. And if the day's not nice, check for local indoor markets like those found in Milwaukee or Grand Rapids. And a pro tip, most of these markets will validate parking with your purchase. Number 4, Tuesdays at the movies. Why Tuesdays? You'll see. So check your local theater for a discounted movie day, because it seems most national chains, including AMC, Regal, Cinemark, and Marcus, they all promote movies for cheap on Tuesdays. Now, our local theater sells tickets for $5 at the window, no fees. Our local Marcus charges $6, but they also give you a single serving of popcorn. So if you can arrange your schedule for a Tuesday, this leaves you room with a little bit of extra cash to hire a babysitter for a couple hours, or if you don't have kids, you get some popcorn and candy, all under $25. And pro tip, there's usually an app for these regional or national theaters, then you will earn credits towards free movie tickets and free concessions for the future. So wins on wins on wins. And number 5, visit a board game cafe or make your own. Now, maybe you don't know, but all across the US, we're seeing board game cafes pop up. The idea is that you buy some coffee and maybe a pastry, then you get access to a wealth of games within the cafe. If you hop on Google, you can see if there's any of these near you. It's a great way to spend some time. But if there's not, grab a few of your favorite games from your house, or maybe borrow some from your friends, visit your favorite coffee shop, and stake your claim at any table that feels cozy to you. From there, you just get playing. Even if you splurge on cookies or tiramisu, this one is likely going to be $20 or less. So pocket the extra $5 and put it towards your next date night, or maybe start a fund to splurge on Groupon or Restaurants.com for dinner. So if you like any of these ideas, please tell us. And if you want more date night ideas or maybe similar content, hanging out with your friends for 20 bucks or less, tell us in the comments. We hope these tips help you move forward in your journey towards financial freedom, whatever that looks like for you. And if you don't know who we are, we're an app called Cambio, and we want to make your credit score work for you instead of against you. If you find yourself shackled by the weight of a bad score, or you just don't know where to start, you can access our free library of learning resources and templates at CambioMoney.com, or you can download the Cambio app. Thanks for watching, and thanks for dropping a like if you liked the video. We hope that you have a great week, and we'll see you in the next one.